So today, 10 years before, if you go and tell Airtel, can I share your tower and put my antenna there? They will slap you. They said, come on, what are you talking about? And today it's the other way around. If you don't do so, then they will slap you. Is that funny? And it is purely time driven, right? Today, if you open up a new factory which will produce picture tube, I know all of you having a telecom background, you know what is picture tube kind of stuff. It will be a completely useless investment, don't you think so? But had it been the same decision 20 years back, 25 years back, anywhere in India or anywhere in Asian countries, would have been a great decision. Is that correct? So everything has got a time. So I've seen that a lot of people will say that, oh boy, I should have done that before. Okay, why you have not done it before? Everything has got a time. It is true for our personal life. It is true for business. It is no different in telecom. Be it is managed service. Managed service is a very simple domain. Do you agree with me or not? If you disagree, then whatever I'm going to say next 2 hours will not make sense. Now raise your hands who will disagree. I'll kill you if you raise your hands. Okay? Anybody's background. Share some of the backgrounds of your name. Introduce myself. My name is Sandeep Biswas, and believe me, I used to teach martial arts for 8 years, and excepting carry some kind of irrecoverable physical damage, there is nothing else I've achieved in my life. So my shin bone is like a curvy like this, like I mentioned, and there's a lot of injury in my spine, but that's all I have. So don't get scared about it. And I do a fairly good amount of program management job. Okay, so will you take that liberty to introduce yourself? Some of you, maybe all of you. Somewhere you start. ZT, start.
I'm Anjali Flover. I'm an alumni. I just did my MBTM from the last year. And my past, I was an engineer, embedded engineer with transfer engineer for 3.5 years. After doing my telecom management from here, I joined ZT as an assistant manager in pre-sales services.
Okay, good. Who else? Who wants to be volunteer next? One of you. Will you introduce yourself? Anybody, ma'am, you, go ahead.
My name is Devika Kwaminu. I'm from Nigeria. At my undergraduate in computer science and engineering, and worked as a network engineer for 2 years before coming for this master's program in telecoms management.
Okay, thank you. Anybody else? So, yeah, go ahead.
I'm Rohit Gawani. I've done my engineering from Mumbai University.
From?
Mumbai University. And since then I am working in application managed solutions.
Okay. But I'm not a bad guy, you know that. I'm scared. Look at those eyes. Okay. Where to start? What is managed services? You want to try? Yeah, sit down, sit down.
Suppose there is a company, the manager.
You are going to tell what is managed services. What is your dad doing?
My dad is having a business.
Business?
Yes.
In what?
It's a cartoon maker.
Very good. Now your dad is asking you, tell me what is managed services. Tell him what is managed services.
So I will try to explain him that managed service. Suppose I am doing a business, then I will manage some services from the others. Suppose my cartoon is making up from raw materials. So the raw material that I am getting from the party, and after that we have to supply to the.
Are you sure you are not talking about business process outsourcing? Sorry, I'm just challenging it. It's a little tricky. Okay, good, no? So this sounds like business process outsourcing, may not be managed services, okay? Who wants to try without having a managed services background? You want to try there? No? You want to try? Oh, okay. Okay. You want to try, ma'am?
Me?
Yeah?
I'm completely unaware of it.
Just still try, no? That's a better way to try. What is managed services according to you? We'll learn together.
Some sort of services which are managed somehow.
Yeah? Sure. Guess. What is next?
Maybe a process through which the entire services are being managed.
That's a business process outsourcing. We'll fight it out, okay? The difference between business process outsourcing vis-a-vis managed services is it's a challenge. See, I'll get into little fundamentals. I know there is a slide behind. Is this working? Really? Okay. Any business. I have read a lovely book, which is the first leaflet which will come if you open up SAP documentation, which has come from SAP 3.1. It says every business goes through a very, very simple format called 3 processes: buy, make, sell. Interesting? I think this is the key of the entire business. I hope, ma'am, you can follow me, right? Follow my English? Thank you so much. Okay, so you buy something, you make something, you sell something. Any business for that matter. It is true for your carton your dad is manufacturing, or you can put that same theory, the management institute, like this as well. It's a buy, it's a make, it's a sell. While doing this, you will find that there are 2 things to do. One, you source something, right? You incorporate some process into it and you sell it outside. So if you see that, in crude way, there are few decisions you take, few processes you handle. One is your buying process, it's basically commercial. Your selling process is the sales and marketing domain, and you have another process is operation process, right? Let's take a break. Can you put the same thing in telecom? We are in telecom business. Let's talk about telecom. We can fit it into anywhere, and I'll of course come back to you and fight it out with you. Is managed process can be called as a business process outsourcing? Possibly no. We'll do that. Okay. So let's come back to managed service. Is this starting is okay with you? Is this sounding good?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see what is. Can you fit this same concept into telecom industry? Can it be done? Yes. What do you buy then? What is telecom?